Welcome to the brand new Jebus house tour, guys. Guess what? No more renting, no more moving. This is the house for the rest of our life. That's the plan. I'm gonna live here until I die, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me tell you what I already love about this place. You guys see a Karen? 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 Oh look, there's none, nowhere around. And there's no HOA we have to be a part of. Welcome to our new house. Let's take a trip around the outside before we show you the inside. So as you can see, we have a huge deck here, not deck, but driveway, I guess, is gonna be great for yard sales. Look how much space we have around this thing. It's freaking huge. And if you come over here, we have a basketball court. It's actually in good condition. It's just the cement fell out because of the rain. So we're probably gonna end up keeping that and just getting it put into the ground. So that's a nice little bonus here. If you come around the side, you'll come to the 2-car garage. But you'll see once we get inside, that thing is way bigger than our other one, like way bigger. The other thing I absolutely love is that we are completely surrounded by woods. Nobody can see what we're doing on our property. We have actual privacy. It's over 6 acres here that we own, so it's absolutely incredible. I've always wanted land and I've always wanted to be away from people. So this property right here has them both. So here is the backyard. Unfortunately, we just had 2 straight days of nonstop rain, so it's kind of muddy back here. Luckily, this house isn't in a flood zone, so we don't have to worry about that, but it is mushy and kind of gross, so we're not gonna walk all the way around. But as you can see, just nothing but nature. And we've already seen so many deer and different animals in the backyard, so it's gonna be so interesting just to be able to see what else shows up on the property. In the other side of the house over here, again, just beautiful woods, nothing, nowhere, anywhere can you see another person or another house, which is just marvelous. Now that you've seen the whole outside, let's get inside and show you the beautiness behind those doors. Come on in. Welcome to the inside of the brand new house. Before we even start to walk around, I gotta show you this. Look at this. We have a fountain and there's a switch to it, look. Hey, we have a switch to the fountain. Now that's awesome. Before we start going around, I wanna let you know we literally just closed an hour ago. So, we haven't had cleaners, we haven't had painters, we haven't had nothing yet. So it's gonna look a little different next time you see it, but let's start out with this room right here. Meant to be a dining room, but for us, we're thinking of making it into a gaming room, like where we put a table right here to play like board games, cards, and have like arcade machine or something right there, because why not? We're never gonna eat on a dining room table. So if we leave that room, go past the stairs, we'll go upstairs in just a minute and get to this side right here. This is already planned out to be the live auction room. We're gonna have a computer set up right here, shelves to hold boxes and stuff. We're gonna have a section that's stuff that's getting ready to be sold, stuff that's already sold. We're gonna have our shipping boxes, and all that stuff is gonna be right in this room right here. In this room right here, this is gonna be our living room. So you can see they already have all the wires hooked up. That's where the TV's gonna go. It's gonna be mounted on the wall right there. Have a couple couches, maybe a recliner, things like that. I really like the blue in here, so I think we're gonna keep the blue paint, but we are gonna probably have them go over it again because there's little holes in the wall, things like that. Just stuff we wanna get patched up. Now follow me through the archway here into the main room, which I'm not really too sure what we're gonna do with quite yet, because that's gonna be the living room. Have, as you can see, a ton of space here. Planning on putting another table over there where the chandelier's at, but listen to the echo. Hope it's not bothering you guys too much, because this room is just huge, but we have a couple plans for that, but you'll see that a little bit later. Another design thing I really love is how when you enter, you got the beautiful tile floor, but as you go further into the house, you can see that the floor transitions to completely wood, which is just really awesome. Hardwood to tile. Right here, I think we have, how do I open this? Oh, right there. A closet. What kind of brand clothes did you have? This is Celebrity Home. By the way, did I mention the former owner of this house was in the NFL? So it is kind of cool. You never know what you're gonna find around here. And as we go through this archway over here, we go to what they call a sunroom. By the way, sorry for the chirps in the background. They have the old security system installed that we're gonna get refixed with cameras and everything, but it keeps chirping. So here is what's called the sunroom. We got a fireplace, we got doors outside, but what are we gonna do with this room?
I have no idea. Put some chairs in here.
Yeah, probably just some chairs and another table just to sit around and chill, like play cards. We're big cards people. Our family loves to play cards, so sit around here, play cards, be pretty chill. One of the most fun things about this house, I forgot to point out, there's an intercom system that goes throughout the entire thing. So I can literally hold down this, and now everybody upstairs is gonna hear me. So if somebody's getting on my nerves out there, not in my room, I can just say, shut up now, you're bothering me. and they're gonna hear it. I feel like that's gonna make for a lot of fun moments. This is one of my favorite parts of the entire house. Come on out here with me. We got a little miniature screened in porch. Why is it so special to me? When I was little, my grandmother, who passed away a few years ago, owned a house and they had a screened in porch, and it's like the memories I have of everyone just chilling on the porch, watching the rain, watching the weather. It's just, I don't know, it's one of those cool things I've always wanted to have when we actually bought a house, so we got one. Okay, so it's kind of raining right now. We're trying to record the inside, but this is the deck out here. We're gonna have the grill. We're probably gonna have like an outdoor plastic table, smoker, all those kind of things that we can just walk right out, because you can get out here right from the screened-in porch, and you can get out here right from the kitchen over there.
And right here we have the big kitchen with the island right here. I feel like everybody always points out the countertop. I have no idea what this is, but beautiful countertop, a lot of cabinetry here. We're going to get rid of this fridge and get a brand new fridge. This is something that I really like. I don't know why I like the microwave off of the actual counter, so that's cool. This is something else that I was looking for. I don't know why, it's just preference. Normal stove, a lot more cabinetry, more cabinets down there, normal sink. Dishwasher, always essential because I hate doing dishes. And then some more cabinetry. So overall, big, beautiful kitchen. Through this doorway, right past the kitchen, we come to this little, like, I guess you would call it mudroom, if that's what you call it. But we have a closet here with some shelves in it.
What's the secret button do?
What does it do?
What does that, blow up the house?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. It breaks. That's what it does.
But it's just open area. We can put anything here, breaker boxes. This leads out to the porch, as you can see. And then right this way, through this door, we have the 2-car garage.
But it's massive.
It is absolutely massive. So down here, 2-car garage. I like this garage because it doesn't have the like cage in the back. It doesn't have the shelf like our rental house does. So it's a lot more open. So a lot of space to keep some yard sale stuff.
This might be the door to the best part of the entire house, but you know what? We'll just save that for a little bit later. Let's head up to the second floor first. First room up the stairs is gonna be this one right over here, and this is gonna be the room that belongs to the cats, because yeah, they get their own room. I don't want all their stuff downstairs. It's a small little room, but it's perfect for cat tower, litter box, food bowl, things like that. Second door, second room, this one right here, and this one's a lot bigger. I think this one's gonna be Brandon's bedroom. I haven't decided on which one's gonna be which yet, but we think it's gonna be this one. Don't you think? All the pretty roses and pink stuff and princesses, you know, it's perfect for him. I think he'll love it. This bedroom also comes into this bathroom right here, which is a full bathroom. It's got a shower, toilet, sink, and it also opens up back into the hallway. So you can get into the bedroom or you can get in right through the hallway. Third bedroom on this floor is this one right here. This one I think they're gonna make into like a computer office room thing like that, because I told Brandon and his girlfriend Rachel they could have 2 rooms because the house has 6, we don't need 6, so why not? This one has a bunch of space. Also has a private bathroom right here that you can't get into from the hallway, so that might be a little bit better. A lot of space over here, and I guess just the closet.
Yep.
And we got a closet. As you come down this hallway, first thing we have is a hall closet, and we got a free brush. Yay us! Next room down, this one is gonna be where the washer and dryer go. So the laundry room, we gotta buy new ones, but let me just say, being on the second floor, gosh, it's so much better. I hate when it's on the first floor. Go bring all the clothes down there, bring them all the way back up, too much work, right here. And this, the master bedroom. I love this room right here. It's massive. Look at the size of just the inside of this master bedroom. You guys are watching me, you already know I'm kind of a gun person. So this whole section over here, you know, normal people, oh, let's put a couch that we're never gonna sit on over here. No, not me. My plan is put pegboards across all of these walls, and it's literally gonna be like a gun show room in here. I'm gonna have the AR, AKs, all the handguns, rifles, shotguns, all over the walls. And then I'm gonna put my safe right here. It's gonna be holding all of the ammunition. It's gonna look so cool. Here's the closet, the smaller or bigger closet? I'm not really too sure. I think it's smaller, right?
Maybe a little bit.
A little bit, but guys, really? Does this mean this is ours now? Can I break it open? You think there's anything in it?
I don't know.
Listen. Okay, something's in there. That's gonna bother the crap out of me. We gotta call the real estate agent. So we bought this house as is because the home inspector said there's nothing wrong with it really, besides the little cosmetic thing. So does that mean this is now our property?
I would say yes.
I gotta know what's in the safe. Okay, we have to figure that out another day. You might have noticed there's a crib in this room. You know why that is? Because the other people left it here. Don't get any ideas, don't think anything else, and don't leave me comments saying anything else other than the fact they just left it here. Shh. Now, come into the master bedroom, or master bathroom. Right here, sink number 1. And it's got cabinets, and it's got, you know, cabinets over here, things like that. Can I point out that if you're gonna put windows in the bathroom, they need to be like this, not the ones that are clear as day. Anybody can just walk by, nice. Not cool. These, I love the stand-in showers with the glass, not the shower curtain that sticks to you and you're like, ugh, get off the whole time. It's just very frustrating. Jacuzzi right here. It's even got jets on it. A jacuzzi with jets, that's cool.
Yep.
Right here, we got a sink, again, second sink. This is the toilet. Again, another thing I like is that the toilet has its own door. So if I need to take a shower, or somebody has to take a dump while somebody has to take a shower, it's okay. You don't have to be standing in the shower smelling doo-doo. Not cool. If you come in here, oh, this light's blown. But this is the second closet. What's this? Being repaired next week, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what you're repairing at all, but this is the second closet. Looks like it's definitely bigger. I have more room to walk around in this one. So 2 closets, 2 sinks, and a nice big tub, and a nice big shower. Now coming through this archway right here, again, the stuff all over the place randomly, that's just what the other people left here. We're gonna move it, get rid of it, things like that once we like move in. But hey, we got a nice big chair. I got an exercise bike, yes. Again, you'll see a lot of random workout stuff because the dude was in the NFL, so makes sense. But this area right here, I don't really know what we're gonna do with this one. What do you think?
Maybe
really?
Put some couches.
Maybe just a couple
another table.
Something like that. And then we have the stairs up to the 3rd floor of the house. 3rd floor bedroom, right in here. This is the one my mom left because she doesn't want to be on the same level as us because, you know, we're up until 5 a.m. She gets up at normal time. We don't all correlate schedules. This room in here is also freaking huge. The lights, unfortunately, are dead, but the fan works, so we know the power and everything's good. It's just dead light bulbs. Look at the windows. Look how high up you are. This house is pretty tall. That's a long fall.
That is.
That's a very long fall. In this room, just really big, very rectangular. It's got a closet in here. Does this have a light? Yeah. Oh, the light in here works. Yay! So we got that. This floor also has its own little tiny bathroom in here, sink, toilet, bathtub, not a doored bathtub, but you know, a regular tub with a shower, curtain. And this is, well, the attic, you know, boring in there. It's got the AC unit, it's got some extra filters, it's got the random stuff they don't know what to do with, like an old door, that kind of stuff. We don't need to go in the attic. Back to the main floor. Now let me show you the reason that really sold me on the house. The best part of the house is the basement. Come on down. First room you see when you get to the bottom of the basement, what do you think? Closet or bathroom?
Bathroom.
How about something a little cooler? How about a freaking movie theater room, which is just incredible, guys. Look at this. We gotta move these chairs around. We're probably gonna move it around, put couches and stuff on here, but projector's gonna go there. Right underneath of it's gonna have a shelf that has an Xbox Series X, a PlayStation 2, and a Super Nintendo. And right over there is literally the screen with curtains and everything. This right here, it's gonna be, it says it's a movie theater room, but to us, it's gonna be a gaming room. I want gaming posters, gaming characters all over here. And I just cannot wait to play Xbox on a movie screen projector. Like, are you kidding me? Let's go this way down to the best thing ever, the basement, guys. This is going to be the Dragon Balls Museum. Literally, this is blocked off from any of the cats getting here, which is gonna be perfect. And it's huge. Look how much space we have around this area right here. It's absolutely incredible. Now I'll come on over to the game room right here. I guess this would be like, this was their party room, but we're not party people, so it's our game room. These, as cool as they are, I feel like we're gonna end up taking them down because I want the wall space for Dragon Ball stuff. But we found out that they had it up and they had 3 different gaming systems on each TV, which was a pretty cool idea actually, but we think we're gonna take them down. And check this out. A real good quality. I looked it up, it's like a $1,600 pool table. So you know what? I'm really happy with that. We made sure we put in the contract that we got to keep this because that's awesome. They got the dartboard, not expensive, but cool. How close do you think I can get?
Pretty close, I think you're good.
I don't, ready?
Yeah.
If it's a bullseye, you owe me $100.
right.
Ready?
Oh.
I suck. But it is what it is. So this area here is just awesome. All the way this side again is just gonna be more space for more Dragon Ball stuff. We're not just collecting. I'm going for the world record and I'm telling you now, go ahead and mark it down. We're gonna beat it within a couple of years. 100% the biggest Dragon Ball collection in the world. We're gonna beat that. And then we can go outside here. Again, I told you earlier, the guy was from the NFL, so a lot of workout equipment here. You can see like the heavy bags, but unfortunately, they left it outside. The rain around here, it's all waterlogged, so it's most likely it's gonna go to the dump, or not most likely, it will go to the dump. But this little area here, also a pretty cool spot. I might throw a couple chairs out here just in case you wanna go outside and enjoy the weather. Also haven't decided if we're gonna sell or keep this yet, so this is literally like a miniature sauna. You go in there, crank it way up, sweat out some extra weight. Again, professional athlete, they need it. Me, not professional athlete, so I don't know if we'll use it yet. But if you come on over here, we can open this door here. Oh, I just turned the wrong switch. This is just the basic, you know, the utility room. Nothing exciting here. Water pump, water heater, breakers, that kind of stuff. Nah, not exciting. In here, I think this one's just a closet, but you know, got a lot of shelves. It's pretty cool. Nice little spot there. This, I think they used as a gym, and you know what? My big self is gonna use this as a gym too, because you know what? It's about that time. I'm getting close to 30 and I can't keep going this way. So I wanna turn this into a home gym as well. We're gonna get some cardio equipment, some weights, things like that. So we can literally wake up, work out in our own house and not have to worry about other people showing up or getting in your way or being crowded. It's just private and I think it'll work for us. If you come into this room right here, they did a very bad like home paint job. As you can tell, it's not that great, but we're gonna use this as our computer room. This is where we're gonna store all our cameras, lights, microphones, drones, things like that. And we're gonna have our computers in here. So all our editing and all our work like that is gonna be done here in this room. And we're planning on getting it painted the same green as like our logo. And we already ordered a giant, I think like 5 foot by 5 foot sticker of our logo to go on the wall right over here. So that's gonna look sick. So we also got a closet in here, which we might end up storing the camera stuff in there. I haven't decided yet. And then one final bathroom to make number 6 in the house. This one's full, even though we're never actually gonna use the shower. This is pretty much just a toilet to use down here, but still the 6th bathroom of this beautiful house. So we just talked to our real estate agent, and apparently when you buy a house, it works just like with a storage unit. They've signed off on it, so this is abandoned. This is now our property. So let's see what that is. It's gotta be some type of jewelry. I feel like it's a necklace or something. Let's go in the garage and break it. Even when we buy a house, we don't need a storage unit. We're still cracking open safe. So should I just throw it in the air and let it hit the ground?
Yeah.
It's gonna be loud.
It sucks because it's a good safe too.
It is a nice safe, but what's the use without the key?
I know, we need the key.
You ready?
Yep.
That was loud.
I don't think that did anything.
It opened the keyhole. Okay, it made it kind of crooked. Now it looks like a, what's the shape called?
Trapezoid.
Yeah, should I do it again?
Try it.
Did that do it?
No.
What? All right, time to put some force into this slam. You ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna slam as hard as I can.
It's crooked.
Really?
Do it again now on this corner.
Right
like
here?
This corner.
Okay. You ready? There goes the door. What's in the safe? It's some bolts.
Dang it.
And that's absolutely it. Well, at least we know now. We are absolutely in love with this massive house and cannot wait to live in it for decades to come. Overall, the house is 6 bedrooms, 6 baths, 7,063 square feet, 6.09 acres of land, and it was only built in 2008, so it's fairly new for its size. And the fact that we are completely secluded and covered by woods was an absolute dream of mine for the last decade plus. It's just so beautiful. If you want to see a second tour once the house is absolutely and completely set up and ready to go, sound off in the comments down below. If we have enough comments asking for it, we'll definitely do it again. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that watch and support our videos. It's because of your support throughout the years that we were able to get this awesome house, and I promise we are going to keep producing those crazy cool videos you guys love so much. So thank you and peace out.